In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on quiet mode on Instagram. On Instagram, you can temporarily turn off all types of notifications and just make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Once you are at your profile, just hit at menu icon and select settings. On settings, tap at notifications, and that's where you can easily find this pause all feature, that's actually quiet mode. In order to turn it on, just hit at that button, and then you will be able to select the exact period of time in which you want the quiet mode to be active. You can choose from 15 minutes up to 8 hours, and within that time you won't get push notifications, but you will be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram. I'm just gonna select 2 hours, and that's it. As you can see, quiet mode is now active. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.